And like I said, as far as I know, I can't speak for everybody, that took, for me, that took more than one thing. And then working it, saying, and it became more clear and profound, in a sense, in my mind over time. I mean, I can't, you know, I can sing the praises of my first enlightenment experience all day long. You know what I'm saying? It's like, huh? But, you know, as far as that goes, and also the more that happens, once again I'm postulating, because, you know, I'm just using relative mind to speak to you. But the consciousness, in my case, in any case, informs my mind in a way, more and more sophisticated way over time than it did in the beginning. In the beginning it did also, but I was, you know, oblivious to the fact that was occurring. And then a kind of wisdom occurs. And the wisdom is that knowledge comes that I don't know I know. So it's like there not to be a thought, but I can tell you certainty about something. When it has to do with the absolute stuff, and when it has to do with the capital of Texas, I could perhaps not know. You see what I'm saying? But I'm saying I can. Certainty, I say, oh no, this is not the case. This cannot be the case. I can tell you that with certainty, or I can go on and start spewing about something, you know. And how do you know that? How do you know? I do. It's like the consciousness is informing me, so to speak, but there's no process that's occurring except the arising of it. Anyway, this, you know. So that happens.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.